Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Innal hamdanillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hussain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial. Capacity of contract. Today we will try to discuss capacity of contract. That means the person who has a capacity to contract and who has not this capacity to be introduced with a contract. In here, basically we will try to discuss who are the incompetent to make a contract. If we know this incompetent person who has not ability to make a contract, then it is easy for us to understand who has the capacity of contract. Although these incompetent people also have the right to make a contract. Now look at these minors people or minors child or simply minors who has not such type of capacity to be contract, but in the law of contract, minors can be introduced within a contract. Then incompetent people, mentally incompetent people who has not right to make a contract or who has not capacity to make a contract. Mentally incompetent people, you can say the mad who has not actually any kind of knowledge what is wrong or what is right. So he has not right to make a contract or he has not capacity. Later on intoxicated people, that means who are too much a drunkard, he has not or she has not capacity to make a contract. And you know that whenever the people are more intoxicated, then he or she loses mind. Later one, convicts also has not capacity to make a contract. That means who is sued for illegal trade or illegal things, or who is done the illegal works for the society, he is not have the capacity to make a contract. Now let us start to discuss minors, then incompetent, intoxicated people and convicts. Thank you. Now we will see minors. Common law rule that people under 21 years of age are treated as minors, but some state or some countries this age is limited to 19 years old, and in our country this age is 18 years old. So you can call the people who is under 18 years old is treated as a minor people. Simply the person under the legal age to contract are called minors. Okay, minors has a right to make contract. Now we will see minors contract or contract of minors. Almost all of a minor's contracts are voidable at the minor's opinion. That is, if a minor So desires the minors can avoid or the contract if a minor wishes to treat a contract made with an adult as void. Adult is bound by it. So you can see if the minors made a contract, then adult are also bound to make it. That is the contract of contracts that cannot be avoided. That means minors sometimes cannot avoid the contract. That means which is necessaries for the minors, as like the education loan contract. So this type of contract cannot be avoided by minors. He or she has to maintain this contract. That is the contract that cannot be avoided. It is necessaries. Contracts of minors for necessaries. If a minor contract for necessaries, the contract is voidable, but the minors is liable for reasonable value. That means if it has any kind of damages, the minors will provide the value, financial value. He or she has to provide the financial value, that is the necessities or necessaries. Minors business contract, minors business contract, minors business contract. Many states, either by a special statutory provision decisions, have made minors business contracts fully binding. If a minor engages a business or employment in the same manner as a person having legal capacity, contracts that arise from such business or employment cannot be set aside. Then deferments. These affirments, M-A-N-C-E. Disappointments. The term disappointments means the repudiations of a contract that is election to avoid it or set it aside. That means you can see in Bengali, disaffirm means ত্যায্য করা, অস্বীকার করা, synonyms deny or refuse. That means a minor can refuse a contract, or a minor can deny or neglect its contract. So it has a right because he is minor or she is minor. A minor has the legal right to disaffirm a voidable contract at any time during its minority period. Whenever he is minor till to minority, that means till to 18 years old, he is any time can reject or refuse this voidable contract, that is the disaffirmance or disaffirm. ত্যায্য করা, অস্বীকার করা, that means contract অস্বীকার করা, that is the disaffirm. Then we will see ratification. Ratification, that means in Bengali অনুসমর্থন, grant, অনুমোদন. So then we will see ratification. The ratification, adult indicating a contract made while a minor is binding. That means সমর্থন দেওয়া বা সমর্থন করা. So, a minor may ratify a voidable contract only after attaining majority. Ratification means indicating one's willingness to be bound by promise made during minority. He can ratify by his willingness of this contract. Contracting safely with minors. Whenever it is the responsibilities of adult people to make a contract with minors. If the minors disagree with the contract, then contract is avoidable. So, all the risks maintained by this adult man, that is always time law is encouraging minors or in favor of minors. So, all the risks bear by adult. So, here is said because in general it is risky to deal with minors. Every business person must know how to be protected when contracting with minors. The safest way is to have an adult join in the contract as a consignor with minor. So, that is the very important things. Whenever a businessman is going to contract with the minors, then there has a adult with a consignor with this minor. This gives the other party to contract the right to sue adult who consigned. So, if the contract is void, then can sue the adult people. So, a merchant must run some risks with dealing with minors if a sale is made to a minor. A minor may avoid the contract and demand a refund of purchase price years later. Because few minors exercise this right, business people often run the risk of contracting with minors rather than seeking absolute protection against losses. Then minors tort. Minors tort, that means tort means khoti, wrong, one night. So, as a general rule, a minor is liable for torts as fully as an adult is. If minors misrepresent their age and the adults with whom they contract rely on the misrepresentations to their untreatment, the minors have committed to a tort. So, if the minors has any kind of representation to his age, then he has to bear these liabilities, that is the minor's tort. Then we will see incompetent people, mentally incompetent people who is liable, who has no right to make a contract. Mentally incompetent people, that means who is mad or who has not such kind of knowledge what is wrong, what is right, he is treated as a mentally incompetent people. Incompetent other than by reason of age, that is the mental incompetent. A number of reasons beyond a person's control results as a mental incompetence. These include intensity or incompetence as a stroke or a mental disease, insomnia, mania disease, or cancers causes, blood cancers or heart cancers or brain cancers, which causes the loss of brain, what is right or what is wrong. This type of people actually has not any kind of right to make a contract. If a person is competent but has not been so declared by the court, then the person's contracts are voidable or not void. So, like a minor, the person must pay the reasonable value of necessaries that have been stupid or misrepresentations, that he has to pay liability. Okay. Later on we will see intoxicated people, intoxicated people, that means who is drunk, who is take drug, too much drugged. He is called intoxicated people, but there are several people who is regularly intoxicated. If they are not losing their mind, they have the capacity to make a contract. But whenever the people are fully intoxicated or fully drunk, then that type of people has not capacity on that period of time, has not capacity to make a contract. If he makes a contract at that period, then he refused, he avoid the contract, then he can get support from the court, because he is intoxicated people. If he proves that he is totally intoxicated at the period of contract, then court will support him. So, it is the right or it is the responsibility of other parties to make a contract with that type of people. It is his or her responsibility to check that people is he actually intoxicated or not intoxicated, he is freshman. So, that is the right of another people. So, a person who has been legally declared with habitual drunkard cannot make a valid contract, but it is liable for the reasonable value of necessaries furnished. If a person is purposely caused to become drunk in order to be introduced to contract, the agreement will be held invalid. The rules regarding the capacity of an intoxicated people also applies to people during the drugs. Last topic, convicts. 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 The person found guilty by court of a major criminal offense, that is the convicts. Also, many states have repealed their former laws restructuring the capacity of a convict to contract. Some jurisdictions still have limitations. These range from depriving convicts to rights as needs to provide for security to the penal in situations in which they are firm and reasonable protection to the public, classifying the convicts as under a disability as are minors or insane person. So, it is clear that convicts peoples are treated as a minors or insane person in the eye of law. So, this type of peoples actually has not right to make a contract or has not capacity to make a contract. So, these are today's topic, capacity of contract, who has the capacity to make a contract and who has not make a capacity of contract. Generally, these four types of peoples has not capacity to make a contract: minors, mentally incompetent people, intoxicated people and convicts. And other than all the peoples has the capacity of contract. Of these peoples, minors has a right with the help of consigned adult people to make a contract. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance. Try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.